Sasan yung ano mo? Ha? Special guest mo.
Ha? Wala eh. Ayaw na.
Pinido ng aga, ano? Adak?
Ayag.
Ayag? Si Daya.
Okay, first five, both team. Jersey na po lahat ng players para makita yung jersey number. Okay, pasok na po first five. ball of FC. Steal by jersey number 18. Driving the ball pass to number 13. Layup. Basket count by jersey number 13. Foul number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw by jersey number 13. Basket. Number 18 pass to number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9, 18. Steal by jersey number 18. Pass to number 88, 2 points. Number 44, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 46. Binalik sa number 44. 10 to shoot. Steal by jersey number 13. Pass to number 18. Layup. No good. Rebound by 922. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Putback. 2 points. Number 18. Foul number 88. First personal foul. First team foul. Pass to number 7. 10 to shoot. Pinasa lalim. Nice pass pero wala. Rebound by number 27. Pass to 922. 922 dribbling the ball. Dinalik sa 922. 43 no good. Rebound by number 46. Pinasa sa kalaban. Steal by jersey number 18. Pass to number 88. Fake. Nice pass sa ilalim. 2 points by jersey number 13. 9-0 na po ang ating score. Number 44. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. Number 18, layup. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 88 to number 18, 2 points. 11 to nothing round. Number 44, tumira ng 3. Number 18, pass to number 13 sa lalim. Layup, 2 points. Number 46, dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng mapapasahan, pass to number 22 to number 44. Tumero ulit ng 3, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 18, pass to number 13 sa lalim. No good. Save ball. 14 to shoot. Number 88 for 3. 3 points by jersey number 88. Mm. 16-0 ang ating score. Foul number 88. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 44. 10 to shoot. Nakalusot. Nabitawan. 5 to shoot. Rebound by number 13. Fast break. 2 points by jersey number 18. Number 80. Sumalaksak. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 13. Pass break to number 88. Nice pass to number 18. Pull up, 2 points. 20-0 ng ating score. Pass to number 46, fake. Block by jersey number 27. Rebound niya.
Awa 5 minutes. Dead ball.
Change 5.
Thanks, 5. 9-2 to yun.
22-0. Number 23. Pinababa ang bola. Pinasa sa gitna sa number 2. Pass to number 26. Layup. No good, pero may foul. Foul, jersey number 10. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throw by jersey number 26. First try, no good. Second try, no good pa rin. Di pa rin nakabugas ang FP. Traveling violation. Number 40. Pass to number 23. 14 to shoot. Number 14. Fake. Pass to number 26. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 29. Pass back to 9.
Ganyan, 109.
Rebound by jersey number 23. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 2. To number 14. Pinasa ilalim. Layup, no good, pero may foul. Foul, jersey number 29. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Number 24 for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 14. Nagmamadali. Sumalaksak, layup, no good. Rebound by jersey number 23. Pass to number 12. Binalik sa number 23. Steal by jersey number 17. Libre. Layup, 2 points. By jersey number 17. Number 14. Pass to number 2 to number 23. Pinalik sa number 14. Pinasa ilalim. Nice pass. 2 points by jersey number 26. 20 na lang ang kalamangan ng mga naka-orange. Number 29. Okay, turnover. Steal by jersey number 29. Number 29 nagmamadali. Pass to number 17. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 29. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 23. Pass to number 26. Steal. Ay, buti ka na. Nakuha ni number 14. Sumalaksak. Nakapik, nakuha ni jersey number 26. 9 to shoot. Foul.
109.
Foul jersey number 109. First personal foul, penalty. First try, basket. Second free throw, basket ulit. 2 of 2 by jersey number 26. Number 17. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. 109. Pull up, no good. Rebound ni number 14. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Nagmamadali. Pinaas sa number 14. To number 26. Layup. No good. Pero may foul. Time out. Face out. Back to the ball game. 2 free throw by jersey number 26. First try. Basket.
Lahat free throw pa rin nila.
Siya pa lang preschool.
Second try. Basket.
Intro, isang 2 points. Kaya binibigyan may laro.
Number 17. Pass to number 29. Pull up. Basket. Number 14. Pass to number 23. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by jersey. Nakapik. Face of ball. Number 17. Pinababang bola. Pass to number 24. To number 29. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound ni jersey number 17. 4-3. Kumalog. Rebound by jersey number 24. 2 points. Five to shoot. Number 23 for 2. Short. Rebound by jersey number 2. Blocked by jersey number 10. Nakuha ulit ni jersey number 23. Pass to number 2. 5 seconds. And the first quarter.
Sayang, hindi ka na yun ah.
Lima. Ang bago. Ayan, sir.
Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Orange ball.
Pesa green.
Defense. Green. Number 9 pass to number 7 to number 5. Binalik sa number 7. Pass to number traveling violation. Turnover. Number 24, pass to number 9, Ryan, steal by jersey number 11. Nakuha na number 7, nagmamadali, dinaretso, 2 points by jersey number 7. Number 9, dribbling the ball, pass to number 6, 14 seconds shot clock. Number 9, 10 to shoot. Short, nakuha ni 3 seconds. Good, 2 points by jersey number 24. Number 7. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 11. Sinalaksak, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. So free throw by jersey number 11. First throw. No good.
Yan ba is ba na half
28.
Number 9. Nagmamadali. Foul. Foul jersey number 5. First personal foul. First team foul. Two free throw by jersey number 9. First throw basket. Two of 2 by jersey number 9. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 32. To number 11 sa gitna. Pinasa sa ilalim, nilabas. Pinasa sa number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by jersey number 7. Number 31. Pass to number 9. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni number 31. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 6. Nag-aagawan. Nakuha ni number 32. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 9. FCFP ball. Number 9. Pass to number 24. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni. Nagagawa. Nakuha number 32. Jersey number 32. Nabitawan. Nakuha niya ulit. Pass to number 5. Still by jersey number 24. Pass to number 9. Nabitawan. Turnover.
Nandiyan na, sir. 16. Ilan pa kayo para?
Number 5, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 7. Tumera ng 3. No good, rebound by jersey number 5.
Hindi pa kasi nakakalaman.
10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa ilalim sa number 11. May sumabit.
Dalawa na si 6.
Foul number 6. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Na kayo? 16 lang? 16. May nasa loob.
5.
Number 24. Pass to number 9. Fake. Tumera ng 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to number 24. 8 seconds to shoot.
16 lang? 17.
Sumalaksak number 24. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9. Pass to number 32. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 5. To number 7.
Yes, sir.
Layup.
Ako na lang.
2 points by jersey number 7. Number 9. Pass to number 24. Binalik sa number 9. 14 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 31. No good, pero may foul.
Ball number 9.
Foul jersey number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Saan po?
No good, rebound by jersey number 11. Pass to number 5. Binababa ang bola. Number 5, sumalaksak, pinasa lalim, nice pass, pero wala, rebound ni number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass back to number 17. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 6. Pull up, no good pa rin. Wala pa.
Ay, hindi sumusita eh.
Wala pa.
Ongoing eh.
Dead ball, dead ball.
May sumut.
Okay, change 5.
Case 5.
Number 40. Pass to number 18. Sumalaksak, layup. No good, pero may foul. Foul jersey number 13. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throw by jersey number 18. First throw, no good. Second try, basket. Number 88, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18 for 3. Short, rebound by jersey number 26. Steal by jersey number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by jersey number 12. Pass to number 46. To number 26 sa gitna. Layup, no good, pero may foul. Foul, jersey number 13. Number 13, second personal foul, 14 foul.
Sir, ballpen. Ay, sorry. Same block. Ito, sir. Ilan?
Number 13.
President, please.
26.
46.
26.
Number 14. 14 to shoot. Orange ball. Number 18. Pass to number 18. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 13. Binalik sa number 88. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Pass to number 14. Number 14, sumalaksak. Layup. 2 points. By jersey number 14. Number 18. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 88 to number 1. Pinasa lalim, nice pass. Pero wala, rebound by jersey number 2. Ginugulo, pinasa number 46. Pinasa gitna sa number 26, no good. Rebound ni number 88. Pinababa ang bola, nagmamadali. Layup. 2 points by jersey number 88. 2 minutes, time remaining, second quarter. Number 46 for 3, short, rebound by number 18. Sa kanya ulit, same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 46. No good. Shot clock. Violation. Number 18. Pass to number 1. To number 12. Pinalik sa number 18. Pull up. No good. Rebound number 2. Pass to number 14. Number 14, sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, layup, 2 points. Number 2, 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 18. Layup. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 88. Steal by jersey number 14. Pass to number 2. Binalik sa number 14. Tumira ng 3. Short. Nakuha ni. Rebound by number 88. Steal by jersey number 2. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Same ball. 13 seconds. Pass to number 46 to number 18. Nice pass, pero wala. 5 seconds.
Lagyan ng oras, 3 minutes.
18. Isla yata naman.
18 yan.
18 na yun.
Wala pa nga. Full stop pa lang. Meron bang third quarter, full quarter? Dami na ba ang question?
Sir, gusto yung picture kami. Umalag siya na. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter. Green ball. Number 24, pass to number 20. Pull up. 2 points by jersey, 3 points by jersey number 22. Number 5, pass to number 11. Minot. 2 points by jersey number 11. Number 31, pass to number 24. Pass Salalim sa number 7. To number 22 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Orange ball. Steve by jersey number 24. Ganda sana, pero nabitawan. Number 11, stepping on the line, green ball. Number 6, Gulo, 14 seconds to shoot, 5 seconds violation. Number 29. 14 seconds to shoot. 9-2-2. Nice pass sa ilalim sa number 11. 2 points. May jersey number 11. Number 24. Leaving the ball, pass to number 22. Steal by jersey 9. 9-2-2. Same ball. Steal by jersey number 7, pass to number 24, layup, 2 points by jersey number 24. 9-2-2. Pass to number 5. 14 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Number 6. Binababang bola. Number 31 for 3, short, rebound by jersey number 29. Steal by jersey number 22. Pass to number 6, foul. Jersey number 11. Number 11, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 7, pass to number 24 to number 6. Pinasa ulit sa number 7 sa gitna. Nice fake. Layup, no good. Nakuha ulit number 7. Fake. Layup, no good. Rebound by jersey number 31. 9 seconds to shoot. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 5. Si number 13, sinalapsak. Jersey number 22. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 24, leaving the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice pass sa ilalim. Nilabas number 7, number 6. Steal by jersey number 29. Pass to number 922. Nabitawan. Green ball. Number 24, pass to number 6. Dinerecho, 2 points by jersey number 6. Chase 5. jersey number 10. Number 10, second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 9, fake, pull up, no good, rebounding, jersey number 10. Pass to number 12, to 109. 109 to derecho, no good, rebound by jersey number 109. Rebound by number 2, pass to number 26. Number 26, taking the ball. Pass to number 14. 14 to shoot. Nice pass to number 26. 2 points. Number 14, pass to number 6. No good. Rebound by jersey number 29. To number 12. To 109. Time out. Orange. Back to the ball game. Green ball. Number 14 for 3 points. Baba sa 24 ang kalamangan. Rebound by jersey number 2. Foul jersey number 26. Dumudugo. Number 26, first personal foul. Second team foul. Number 17. Pull up. 2 points by jersey number 17. Five seconds to shoot. Number 46, pull up. 2 points by jersey number 26. Pass ball. Foul jersey number 2. First personal foul. Third team foul. Naka-play pero wala. Pass break to number 14. Nagmamadali. Layup. 2 points by jersey number 14. Two minutes. Time remaining in the third quarter. Number 17 to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 40. 10 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 2. 5 seconds to shoot. Nice pass pero wala. Rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to number 2. Pull up. No good. Rebound by jersey number 26. Put back. 2 points by jersey number 26. 1 minute time remaining. Pass to number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 27. 11 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 2 points by jersey number 27. 30 seconds. Time remaining. Number 46. Intercepted by number 2 points by jersey number 46. 15 seconds. No good. Rebound me. Jersey number 46. Pass to number 9. 3 seconds. And the third quarter. Back to the ball game, final quarter. Green ball. Number 40. Steve, jersey number 1. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Intercepted by jersey number 40. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 7, nice pass sa gitna, still by jersey number 31. Pass to number 14, nagmamadali, tinasalala sa number 24, no good, rebound by number 13. Pass to number 7, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 26. Pass to number 24. Foul. Number 32. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 14. Waving the ball. Pinasalala sa number 26. Foul number 32, second personal foul, second team foul. Sabrat. Lapit po dito yung magsasab. Okay pa. Pasok. Pass to number 29. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 30. 2 points. Number 9. Pass to number 14. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 30. To number 18. Layup. 2 points. By number 18. Number 9. Pass to number 14. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 9. Fake. Dinalik sa number 14. Pull up. 2 points. By just 14. Number 7. Pass to number 13. Meron ng tres. No good. Rebound by number 46. Pass to number 9. Binababa ang bola. Natapik. Save ball. Sound prep. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 14 to number 9. Meron ng tres. 3 points by jersey number 9. Balik sa 21 ang Kalamangan. Three points by jersey number 18. Binawi agad. Number 40. Pass to number 9 to number 46. Intercepted by number 7. Ball is number 46. Went sa number 9 for 3. Back-to-back 2 points by jersey number 9, Daya. Oh, sorry. 2 points lang daw, sabi na rin. Time out. FC. Number 44. Pass to number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Tinaas sa lalim. Nice pass. Sub-rep. Foul number 1. First personal foul, third team foul. First try, basket. Timbang by number 13, pass to number 1. Nagkabawa ng bola. Pass to number 7. To number 1. 14 seconds to shoot. Binalik sa number 7. Pinasalanan sa number 21 na bitawan. Nakuha niya ulit. Binalik sa number 1. 7 to shoot. Nice pass sa number 21 pero wala. Layup. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, pass to number 24. To number 44, tumira ng trash. Short. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 1. To number 7. Steal by jersey number 24. Pass to number 12. Pinalik sa number 24. To number 7. Pull up. No good. Malakas. Green ball. Number 24. Pinasalarin, binalik sa number 44. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Nabitawan. Double green ball. Sabit. Seconds to shoot. Save ball. 6 seconds to shoot. 6-7 to shoot. Steal by jersey number 21. Number 29 with delivery, 2 points. Number 24. Pinasalanan sa number 2. Steal by jersey number 29. Last 3 minutes. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 21 for 3. Short. Number 7. To number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Two points by number 24. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Then 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Sadra. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. FC AFP. Last 1 minute and 48 seconds. Number 9, pinapabang ball. Naghahanap ng mababasahan, pass to number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Nabitawan, nakuha ulit na number 12. Layup. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 10. Number 10. Third personal foul. 14 foul. First throw, no good. Second throw, short. Then drop, no good. Game ball. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Pass to number 9. For 3. Short. Rebound by number 10. Last 1 minute. Nice pass. 2 points by number 88. Last 50 seconds. Number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Layup. Foul number 32. Third personal foul. Penalty. Last 40 seconds. Rebound ulit to number 6. Blocked by number 10. Save ball. Last 34 seconds. 9 to shoot. Number 46 for 3. Short. Rebound number 6. Block ulit to number 10. Last 20 seconds. 2 points by jersey number 109. 15 seconds. 10. 5. End of the ball game. the game, jersey number 18, Isla. And 3-point defensive player of the game, three-point defensive player of the game, jersey number 18 din, Isla. Defensive player of the game, jersey number 29,
Sir, ano first name mo?
defensive player of the game, jersey number 29,